Welcome to my channel, Stacey Fowler Creations. You're at the playlist How to Teach My Child to Read Quickly. We are at step 2. I normally teach silent letters at step 3. However, there's a silent letter that I need to talk about. And if you're new to the channel and you have missed the other videos on this playlist, please click on the link that is being displayed on the screen now so you can know the other steps that you have missed. All the steps are important for you to follow for you to achieve the goal that your child can read within 3 to 4 months. Now let me now explain how the letter E does not make its sound. The letter E does not make its sound when it's the last letter for most words. And whatever I tell you, I like to show you with examples. So let us now look at some examples. I am showing the word came. In this word, the letter A has also changed its sound. Instead of making the A sound, it's only saying its name. If we should sound out all these letters, let us see if we will get the word came. C makes a sound K. A is saying its name, so we're just going to say A. M makes a sound M, and E is supposed to make the sound E. Let's put those sounds together. A, M, E. We will never get the word came. But if we try this word without the S sound for the E, let us see if we will get the word came. Aim, aim. We do get the word came. Let's try another example. Now I'm showing the word shame. S and H will make the sound sh. A is also not making its A sound in this word. It's actually saying its name A. M makes the sound M, and E is supposed to make the sound E. Let's put those sounds together. Sh, M, E. Would not get the word shame. Let's try that without the S sound for the E. Shame. We do get the word shame. But when do the letter E actually make a sound? The letter E will say its name at the end of some words. So the letter E will say its name when it's the last letter in some words. Let us look on a few examples. For example, the word she. S and H make the sound sh. And if you say the name of the E, put them together, you get the word she. She. Let's look on another example. The word we. You make the sound of the W, woo, and then with the E, saying the name of E, woo, E, we. Put them together, you go a little faster, you get we. Let's look on our last example with the letter E saying its name. The word me, E, E, the sound of the M, and then you say the name of the letter E. So let me go over those two rules. The letter E does not make its sound when it's the last letter in most words, and trust me, it's a lot of words. Now let's look on a diagraph that I've mentioned while I'm teaching about silent E. And of course, you heard me make that sound. It's actually S and H make the sound sh. S and H make the sound sh. I will tell students to remember this sound is just as if you're telling someone to be quiet. The sound you would make when you want someone to be quiet. Shh. So that's the same sound S and H make. Now let us practice. Now I've showed you the word she before, and let's look on it again. So S and H, sh, and then you say the name of E, sh, E. Do you see why all my lessons tie together and why I'm always telling you, you must subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed as yet, please go go and click on the subscribe button right now. While you're doing it, click on the notification bell so that you may be notified when I upload new videos. Now, I said before, if you have missed any of the videos on this playlist, you would have to go through them. All the steps are important. I've already taught the sound that the diagraph A and R make, so this is just reinforcement. So let's do S and H and then try to figure out what is this word. S and H, sh, A and R, and you make the sound of the K. Sh, ark. And as soon as the child sounds out the word, you know my rule already. Congratulate the child in a very exciting way so that the child feels good about what they have done and make learning very fun and easy. Both of you will be enjoying this session. So to my next word, S and H, sh, I and P, ip, sh, ip. And you get the word ship. At all times, you are not the one who is supposed to make the sounds. It is always the child that makes the sound. All you do, you teach a sound of the diagraph. Ensure you have your flashcards with the word after you teach the sound of the diagraph, and then you let the child sound out the words. If you need to make your flashcards virtually, then I have in the description a link to where I make my soft copy flashcards, download them to my device and use them for my reading classes or my language arts classes. You can do the same. Whatever I do for my classes, that is the same thing I am sharing with you. That is why I'm very sure these steps work. So now let us look at our last example with the SH diagram. So earth, and again, the sound is a diagram that I taught before, so you have to follow the steps, check out all the playlists. Now move on to our next step. So our final step would be sentence writing for the child. You would also give the child spellings. So you put your flashcards away and you give the child words to spell from the list of diagrams, from the list of words with the diagrams that you had taught the child. I've always made my viewers' work very easy by including words that I use for each diagram in the description as well as sentences. So please check the description for more words with the SH sound and sentences that I will give my students. After they write the sentences, then you ask them to read back the sentences. And that is when their little face will be lit up with so much joy, knowing they can actually read. And of course, you help to build their confidence by congratulating them, hugs, kisses, and the whole work, doing your funny dances for them to feel good. I now want to ask of you one little favor, little favor. So I'm all about putting the fun in learning. I have created a fun educational fairy tale. This book is available on Amazon. So I'm begging you, please, pretty please, support my work. I will greatly appreciate it. The link for the book is also in the description. Click on it. Please make a purchase. And when you do, rate the book and of course, come back to this channel. I have a lot to offer. I wrote this book and illustrated it on my own. It's about the sound of letters as well as a little about pronouns and nouns are in there. Once you become a subscriber of this channel, you cannot lose. When I publish new books, you will be notified of such. And of course, the opportunity is there for you to even win books from me. So please subscribe to my channel. I will now say to you that I'm very, very grateful that you have decided to come to my channel. And I say thank you for watching this video to the end. If you have not subscribed as yet, please click on the subscribe button. And while you're doing it, click on the bell so you can be notified when I upload new work. Please like and share as well. And of course, leave me a comment. Let me hear how your child reacted. What did you do when the child sound out the words? All these things I am waiting to hear from you. All about having fun while teaching your child or your students. Until next time, I love you.